Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to hide your name in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, my name is appearing here right now, and I will tell you how you can hide it. And actually it's a trick. You can encrypt it you can change your name, and your name will not appear and it will be just some random words. So what you can do is you can go to legal and privacy and then turn the streamer mode on. Once you do this, your name, as you can see on the top left corner, my name was written there, but it's now just some random words. So that's how you can hide your name. You can also just turn it off if you want, and you don't have to change your name every time. So that's how you can do it. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.